Our Storm Watch coverage continues here at the Weather Network. It's a busy night here. Printers going off, and it's because we're getting a lot of watches and warnings in place currently. The yellow widespread, those are thunderstorm watches, which means conditions are favorable for the development of these cells. But the red, thunderstorm warnings, imminent or occurring. And the mustard, well, that is tornado watch. Let's talk through it, Mark.
Yeah, well, taking a look at this storm right here, this is the one I want to sort of focus in on right now. Take a quick look at some of my more specialized radar, and you can actually see sort of on the southern end of this storm, got a little bit of rotation, potential rotation, some big hail in the end of sort of the bottom end of this storm as well. So there you go. That latest scan literally just came in. You can actually see the purple right there. That means this storm is organizing, it's getting going, and it's beginning to move towards Highway 20 and some of the small communities right in there. This is the kind of storm that has us concerned when they start to blow up very, very quickly, and especially because of the atmospheric conditions. The atmospheric conditions here are extremely conducive to producing supercell thunderstorms.
Right.
Those are not just big thunderstorms. Those are thunderstorms that are actually rotating.
Right.
So that's the most dangerous type.
Now, a reminder, too, when a watch is in place, that doesn't mean that we have a tornado on the ground, but just those conditions are favorable. Widespread, we've been seeing in through those afternoon hours, spreading into Saskatchewan. This is going to be one of those all-nighter events as these continue to move. And a widespread look at Alberta, you can see it's all happening. Not the only area we do have those thunderstorms taking place, though. Now southern Saskatchewan.
Yeah, now this one's a little different. This one likely, very unlikely to produce tornadoes, but keep in mind any severe thunderstorms can produce tornadoes, but this one very unlikely to do it. This one is producing a lot of heavy rain, lots of lightning, some wind. I actually had some reports of wind damage within Regina, so definitely these are the kind of storms that can produce that kind of event, but not as likely to produce tornadoes, so you don't have to be quite as concerned about it when you're talking about the Regina area.
Now, heavy downpours of rain and lightning always a concern still when we talk about thunderstorms and warnings in place, but when it comes to these cells, you're talking about those strong winds, like a recorded gust in Regina Airport, 110 kilometers per hour. Now, we'll take you into some of our products here on our Barron system just to show you widespread those watches, those alerts in place. That's what you were seeing on our radar return. Now into our products, talking about the thunderstorm risk map, Mark, talk us through our Friday.
Well, here's the thing, is that everything is sort of in place. It's primed for severe thunderstorms in and around that Red Deer, Wainwright, up to Edmonton area, just because you've got all the winds coming up from the south. You've got a jet stream sitting right over top of that area. Those storms can really get going, but